What is up, guys? It is Tony here, and today we are back for another Mac unboxing. This is the first time I've unboxed two Macs in one day. The MacBook Air. So this is the M1 MacBook Air. Min specs. So this is what you're going to get if you buy a $1,000 Mac laptop today. To me, I felt like this would be the best one to make videos of, because this is the one I think a lot of people are curious about, because people want to get, something that's bang for buck. And I think this new unified structure is going to prove that 8 gigs of RAM is enough in 2020 for even some very pro apps. So here it is. See the two very lonely Thunderbolt ports. A little upset about that. I think everyone is. Here we go. There is the MacBook Air. It's actually been like 8 years since I've opened a Mac notebook, and a while since I've owned one. So it does feel very light. As someone who uses an iPad Pro 12.9 every day, it feels the same. There it is. Let's open up the latch. Oh, it just booted. It booted on lid open. That is really cool. Must be a new feature of ARM. So that's nice. Here's your charger. Literally just USB-C to USB-C. And they give you a nice brick. I wonder what the wattage is on this brick. 30 watt, not bad. So there you go. It's just chilling there.
To use English as the main language,
press
the return key.
So, yeah, first impressions basically feels like the equivalent of an iPad Pro 12.9 in terms of like size and everything, because I haven't held a MacBook Air ever. At least this, this model. So here's a little side-by-side comparison of the thickness. You can see the iPad is way thinner, but check this out. If you put a decent chiclet-style keyboard on the iPad, suddenly it's a lot thicker. So it actually turns out that this is a thinner package compared to the iPad Pro with a Magic Keyboard or with the Logitech Folio like I have here. So it's very compelling. It's very compelling. So I'm going to run this thing through its paces. I basically want to see if it can compete with the iPad Pro, which as a package, for the same amount of storage, less RAM, this thing costs more. Which makes sense because it has more advanced componentry in it with its touchscreen, with its LiDAR, and all this stuff that you really don't need. Not everyone needs even a touchscreen. And me personally, I don't need a touchscreen. So I'm going to compare these two in depth and share my comparisons with you. I'm also going to compare this to the outgoing Macs with Intel, because I actually have one of those to compare it to. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys